morning students. Now we are going to discuss about decision making process. So what is decision making? So it is a step-by-step process of selecting the best solutions from the alternative solutions. It is called as decision making. So what is decision making? Selecting the best solutions from the various alternative solutions. It is called as decision making. So there are various steps in decision making process. First we have to, in decision making process, first we have to identify the problem. Okay. So identify the specific problem in a particular topic or particular field. It is called as problem identification. So after that we have to gather the information which is related to that specific problem, specific issues. Okay. How will you collect the information?
By data collection, there are two types of them, primary data and secondary data. Primary data, for example, like attending interview.
Primary data is a first data. So it is collecting for the first time. It is called as primary data. So next one is secondary data. Existing data. What are the secondary data? Journals,
Records,
reports, books, articles, magazines. So these things are secondary data. So we are collecting the more information from the secondary data or primary data to find out the best solution. So next step is to find out the we have to identify the many alternative solutions. Okay, from collecting from data collections we have to find out the many alternative solutions. So after that we have to find the best solutions. From the many alternative solutions we have to find out the best solutions. So it is based on the time consuming and cost saving. So based on these things we have to find out the best solution. After find out the best solutions we have to implement the best solutions. So after implementing best solutions we have to collect the feedback from the stakeholders. Okay, if this feedback is positive, we can continue the process. We can continue the implementing the best solutions. If the feedback is negative, again we have to continue the decision making process from the first step. So these are the decision making. Now we are going to see about the types of decision. There are three types of decision. So first one is routine decision. Second one is tactical decision. Third one is strategic decision. So routine decision is we are taking decision for the day-to-day operations of the organizational activities. So it is also called as a short-term decision. So what is routine decision? Day-to-day operations. For day-to-day operations, we are taking the decision. So it is also called as short-term decision. So next one is tactical decision. What is tactical decision? Medium term decision. So if you are launching a new product, you have to first conduct a market research. After conducting the market research, we have find out the expectations and preference of the customers. After that only we will launch a new product. Okay. So next one is strategic decision. So what is strategic decision? It is a long-term decision. We are taking decision for the overall success of the company. So what are the three types of decision? First one is routine decision. That is also called as short-term decision. Next one is tactical decision. It is also called as medium-term decision. Next one is strategic decision. It is also called as long-term decision. So students, now we are going to reconnect the decision making process. What are the steps involved in the decision making process? The first one, identify the problem. Gathering the information. Next one, next step is after collecting the information we have to we receive many alternative solutions. Next, from the alternative solutions we have to select the best solutions very good. Next,
implementing the solutions.
next, after getting the best solutions, we have to implement those best solutions. Next, feedback. After implementing the best solution, we have to collect the feedback from the stakeholders. Okay, so these are the steps involved in decision making process. Next is types of decision. What are the types of decision making? Routine decision, tactical decision, strategic decision. So what is routine decision?
Day-to-day operations.
For day-to-day operations, we are taking the decision. Suddenly, we are taking the decision. It is called as short-term decision. Next one is tactical decision.
So medium-term development. This carefully analyze.
We have to analyze carefully. For example, if you launch a new product, we have to conduct a market research. Then after that, we gain information about customers' expectations and preference. So after getting the information related to customers' expectations and preference, based on that, we have to manufacture the product and provide the product to the customers. Okay, sell the product to the customers.